Tune in to Ebonade 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep the dates.
Yes, the magistrate court sitting in Ekiti State grants Dele Farotimi 30 million naira bail. The federal government is projecting 70, like 7% economic growth in 2025. FCT Minister Nyesom Wike issues a fresh 2 weeks ultimatum to owners of 762 plots of lands in Maitama district close to Kadeshu, Zone A, Abuja, to get their certificate of occupancy. Good morning and welcome to Political Views on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. I am Martin Epa Shuku Ekezie. Yes, it is very important that we talk about the happenings in the corridors of power as it affects you and me in one way or the other. So, the magistrate court sitting in Ade-Ekiti granted human rights lawyer Dele Farotimi 30 million naira bail in the alleged defamation case. The immediate past governor of Kogi State, Yahya Bello, have been granted bail after meeting bail condition of 500 million naira. Court also nullified local government elections against APC in Rivers State. Yes, a lot is happening, in the corridors of power this morning. So let me bring you up to speed on the happenings. The headlines: Woman remanded for threatening Sheyi Tinubu, Inspector General of Police on social media. Federal government votes 27 billion naira for Obasanjo, Gowon, Buhari orders in 2025. Lesser Hajj, Chetima returns to Abuja. 2.23 trillion naira ransom payment. Opposition flees the federal government as APC false report. Alleged defamation. Peter Obi pledges to fulfill bail conditions for Delo Farotimi. Oti approves 250,000 naira monthly package for Abia traditional rulers. Senate passes 2025 budget for second reading, adjourns till January 1st. Emefiele loses warehouse built on 1.925 hectares to federal government. Wike, uninterested in political gimmicks, says aid. Yahaya Bello regains freedom. These and more will be the cause of our discussion on this particular edition of Political Views on Ebonade 103.5 FM. Anyway, before we proceed, remember that you can become part of the conversation by sending your reactions via SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080 You can as well send SMS on 081 3839 7740 or 081